So you want to add an anchor link to your Squarespace website. Well, luckily, it's super, super easy to do now. So I have a tutorial from, I think it's a couple of years ago, and it's, how to do an anchor link. But you used to have to do this like really weird code where you'd put the the anchor section name in a code block, and then you link to it, and it was all weird. The margin was off. It was odd. But now Squarespace have rolled out divider names or section names. And what this means is you can link to specific sections within a page and the page will anchor down there. So they've made it really simple. And I'm going to show you how to do it really quickly. So we've got our site here. If we go to pages and we select which page we want to use, in this instance, I'll just use home. So let's go into the editor on our home page. And let's say we want to link shop flowers instead of to the shop page. We want to go to these flowers here. So what we do on the section that we want to link to is we go edit section and we scroll down under this design tab to anchor link. So in here, the name, we're going to put flowers. Let's just keep it really simple. Once we click out, it's going to save that name. And then we go up to the button and we double click. Then we're going to edit that link. And in here, we're going to put hashtag and we're going to link to flowers like this. Obviously, we'll need to resize the button a tad. But once we save this and hit exit, you'll see when I click flowers, it does a smooth scroll nicely right to the top of the section. And so that is how you add anchor links now into Squarespace. As I say, it's so much simpler. Anyone can do it. You don't need any coding experience whatsoever. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.